Check this out. You're going to love this. Unlimited free fertilizer with your old weeds. Give them a good chop up as much as you can be bothered to do. And then they go into the Digestatron 3000. Like that. Super simple. Oh man, it stinks. Stinks lovely. That is the smell of a frugal lifestyle. Give it a good mix up. Look at all that. Just digests all your garden waste, your organic waste. And I've put a little filter with an old bottle on the bottom. I've attached a tap because it won't have making my hands stink when I was trying to filter it out. Look at that. Pure, unrefined spice. Man, delicious. I'm going to add that now to 4 litres of water. Don't want to overdo it. I'll get it on some of my blueberries. Give them a good feeding. Plants are loving this stuff. It's the only fertilizer I've been using. Look at all the strawberries coming on. Just setting some new ones today. Because I just love them strawberries, man. Life without strawberries is it's a very little sad life. Anyway, see you later.